Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English Practice.
Hi, my name is Anna. Today is Saturday. It is the weekend. I love the weekend so much. It's my favorite part of the week. Why? Because there is no school on the weekend. No lessons, no homework. Just fun and rest. I can sleep a little more. I don't need to wake up very early like on school days. But even on the weekend, my body likes to wake up early. I still wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, 7 a.m. I open my eyes. My room is quiet. The sun is shining brightly into my room. It feels warm. I stretch my arms up high. I let out a big yawn. Then I smile. I feel so happy today. The sun is shining and it's the weekend. I get out of bed slowly. I put on my soft slippers. Then I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I look in the mirror. I wash my face with cool water. Splash, splash. It feels refreshing. I brush my teeth, making them clean and shiny. I comb my hair, making it neat. I look in the mirror again and say, "Good morning, Anna. It's a wonderful Saturday." Then I walk to the kitchen. I smell something so good. My mom is already there. She is cooking breakfast. She is always an early bird, just like me. "Good morning, Mom," I say. "Good morning, sweetie," says Mom, smiling at me. I sit at the table. My little brother, Leo, is already there. He is eating toast with jam. Mom gives me a plate. There are warm eggs and soft bread. It smells delicious. I eat happily. The eggs are fluffy and the bread is soft. I drink some warm milk too. It makes me feel strong and ready for the day. After breakfast, I always help Mom. It is my job. I take my plate and my cup to the sink. Then I wash my plate and cup with soap and water. I try to be careful. Mom says, "Thank you, Anna. You are a great helper." I feel proud when Mom says that. Helping makes me happy. Then I go to my room. My room is my own special space. On Saturday, I always clean my room. It is part of my weekend routine. I like my room to be clean and tidy. I pick up my books from the floor and put them neatly on the shelf. I fold my pajamas and put them away. I make my bed, pulling the blanket straight. I pick up my toys and put them in the toy box. Now my room is clean and organized. I feel good when my room is clean. It makes me feel calm. Later, after my room is clean, I read a book. It is my favorite thing to do. Today, I read a book about a little cat. The cat goes on a big adventure. It finds new friends and sees new places. The story makes me laugh. It makes me smile. I love reading. Then I draw a picture. I use my colorful crayons. I draw a happy house, a big green tree, and a bright yellow sun in the sky. I also draw my family, Mom, Dad, Leo, and me. It looks nice and warm. My family is very special to me. At 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 a.m., I go outside. It is a beautiful morning. I ride my bike. I always wear my helmet when I ride my bike. My helmet is pink. Safety first. The road is quiet on Saturday morning. The air feels fresh and cool. I see birds flying in the blue sky. I wave to my neighbor, Mrs. Kim. She waves back and smiles. Riding my bike makes me feel free and happy. After biking, I come back home. I feel a little tired but happy. I drink a big glass of cool water. I rest for a little while, sitting on the sofa. At 11 o'clock in the morning, 11 a.m., I watch cartoons. This is a special part of my weekend. I sit with my little brother, Leo. He loves cartoons too. We laugh and clap our hands. The cartoons are very funny. One cartoon has a dancing bear. Another one has a talking car. We watch for 30 minutes. It is a fun time together. Then Mom says, "Time to turn it off." We say, "Okay, Mom." We know it's time for the next thing. At noon, it is lunchtime. We all sit together. We eat rice, fish, and vegetables. I like the carrots the most. They are sweet and orange. Lunch is a quiet and happy time for my family. After lunch, it is quiet time. My little brother, Leo, takes a nap. He needs to rest. I sit near the window. The sun is high in the sky now. There is a gentle breeze blowing. I read my book again. The book about the little cat. I read new pages. It is a peaceful time for me. At 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 p.m., we go to the market. I go with Mom. We walk together. The market is so colorful and busy. There are many people. There are tables full of fresh fruits and vegetables. There are beautiful flowers, too. I help Mom carry the shopping bag. We buy apples, bananas, and oranges. We also buy some yummy snacks. I see my friend Lily at the market. She is with her mom. We wave at each other. She says, "Hi, Anna." I say, "Hi, Lily." We talk a little bit about school. Then I say goodbye and go home with Mom. Back home, I help Mom put the food away in the kitchen. We wash the fruit. I eat one apple. It is sweet and juicy. So good. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 4 p.m., I draw again. This time, I draw the market. I draw the big tables with apples, bananas, and oranges. I draw a beautiful flower stand. Mom sees my picture. She says, "Wow, Anna, it's beautiful." I feel proud again. I love drawing. At 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 p.m., I go outside again. This time, I play with Lily. She comes to my house. We play hide and seek in the garden. We run around. We laugh a lot. It's so much fun to play with a friend. Then we play with dolls. We have many dolls. We talk like the dolls are real. It is so much fun to imagine. At 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 p.m., Lily goes home. I say goodbye and wave to her. I go inside. I wash my hands and face. Mom is cooking dinner. The house smells wonderful. Dad is home now from work. He gives me a big hug. "Hello, my little star," he says. I say, "Hi, Dad." We sit down for dinner. We eat together as a family. We talk about our day. I tell Dad about my bike ride, about seeing Lily at the market, and about playing with Lily in the garden. He smiles and listens carefully. After dinner, we clean up the table. Then we sit in the living room. We play a board game. I love family games. We laugh and have fun together. It's a perfect end to the day. At 8 o'clock in the evening, 8 p.m., I take a bath. The water is warm and relaxing. I wash my hair. I dry myself with a soft towel. I put on my comfy pajamas. I brush my teeth again. Then I go to bed. My bed is soft and warm. Mom comes to my room. She reads me a bedtime story. It is about a girl who travels in a hot air balloon. It is a wonderful story. I feel sleepy as Mom reads. Mom kisses my forehead softly. She says, "Good night, Anna. Sleep tight." I say, "Good night, Mom. I love you." Then I close my eyes. I feel warm and happy. Saturday was a very good day. I love my weekend routine. Good night.